Welcome back again to this channel. I'm back again with a very beautiful video on this setup I took. Very beautiful setup with so many confluences that made this setup very delicious. If this is your first time on this channel, please you do well to subscribe because it's gonna help me a lot. Show up this video to others or recommend this video to others. Don't be greedy. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that the community will grow, so that we learn together. You learn from my journey, you learn from my mistakes and everything, you understand? So this video I'm going to show you today, this video I'm going to break down to you today is about this beautiful setup I took on USD JPY. Sorry, I'm having kata, so I'm sorry about that. It's about this beautiful setup I took on USD JPY, which the confluences consist of pure price action, smart money concepts, and fundamentals. So also patience, because I'm not gonna lie, it's been 2 weeks now I didn't take any setup. Yes, but I've been showing up every day. I didn't take any setup for 2 weeks and I've been showing up in the market every day. In this game, you are only gonna win by staying disciplined, patient, and consistent, because the market only reward those that are consistent. It never reward random traders. So you have to know why you started at first. You have to know the passion pushing you to chase your dreams, because in this game, if you come in with your rushing mindset or with your greedy or indisciplined mindset, the market is gonna humble you. So I'll be breaking down this beautiful trade I took. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it very informative and educative. So let's start. Let me start by cleaning all this first. Oh yeah, the chart is fresh. So let's start. First of all, when I came to the daily time frame, as you can see in the daily time frame, the market is extremely bearish. You understand? This was the first time frame I came to, because I normally start my top-down analysis from mostly at times from daily time frame, because I'm more of a day trader and swing trader. But due to school things these days, I'm swinging, so I'm constantly checking my daily time frame first for my overall daily bias, the overall trend, so that I will know I want to trade against the trend. The trend should be your friend. You shouldn't be trading against it. So you can see the market is extremely bearish in the daily time frame. Sorry about my kata, please. I know someone will be like, my voice, so sorry about that. This kata, I'm having kata. So as you can see in the daily time frame, it's extremely bearish. So all I did when I saw this, I went down straight to my 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I came down to my 4-hour time frame, which is here. But not gonna lie, when I came to my 4-hour time frame, the only thing I did, it was not that clear for me here, because the chart pattern was not that clear. So, but I can see it. This is a descending triangle, and the market is bearish, guys. This is a very beautiful setup. This is a descending triangle here. This is a descending triangle here. Is it, guys? This is a descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. Yeah, but it was not that clear. You understand? But this was a very nice confluence, because seeing this alone, this alone is a very powerful information. So all I did was I went down to the 1 hour time frame. and down straight to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, it's more clearer here. Please guys, I hope you can see this. It's more clearer here. Yes, it's more clear here. This is a descending triangle, and look at where this market is coming from, guys. Very beautiful drop. This was a very beautiful drop. Look at it here, guys. Look at how beautifully this market dropped. Look at how beautifully it dropped. So you see, the market is in a downtrend, and I was able to identify a descending triangle. If you are not a beginner, you know what it means when you identify a descending triangle in the market. It's a bearish signal. It's a bearish chart pattern to take trades. You see, one touch here. Price was busy accumulating this box here. See. Price was busy, and here was a breakout, retest, and boom, the market crashed 200 pips. So guys, after identifying this descending triangle, as you can see for yourself, this is a very beautiful chart pattern. I know most of you wait for the breakout, right? So it's actually a good idea to wait for the breakout. But what I did instead that was different from others was, after this breakout, if I was to enter at this retest, this first retest here, because initially this breakout happened here. This breakout initially happened here. You see it, well? This breakout initially happened here. The breakout happened here. Most of you would have entered at this retest here. I know. Most of you who entered at this retest, which is not a bad idea. Which was not a bad idea. And your stop losses, some of you maybe would have, your stop losses would be above this zone, and your take profit would be like this. I think I'm right? But this is what I did different from you guys that made me different. So what I did was, I used smart money concepts for my entry. You understand? So after this breakout, and here was a retest, then I took this retest as a liquidity. Yeah, because I took this retest as a liquidity. For many of those traders that entered here, they would have been stopped out. They will be stopped out after this price returned, because they would have bring down their stop losses. They will be at break even. So the market would have stopped them out all. You understand? While some that were putting stop losses too tight, they would have been stopped out too. They would lose money. So they all added liquidity to the market. So I went down straight up. Let me show you what I did. After identifying that liquidity there, I I use supply and demand. So after identifying that liquidity there, I entered from here. Entering from that retest is not a bad idea. For those people that use break and retest, it's not a bad idea. But the risk to reward is just the difference. You understand? My risk to reward was very nice. You see? Then I entered. This is where I entered, guys. I entered from this this supply zone here. After the liquidity grab, I was able to identify a supply zone just there, targeting 200 pips, and I was risking 34 pips. Good. This gave me 1:7, and if you were risking, if you took that break and retest, you entered from this zone, which is here at the retest of this zone, you would have also made profit. Oh, you see what this place here, this retest, you would have made profits, guys. You would have made profit, but the risk to reward matters. You will be having, let's say, a risk to reward of 1:4, 1:3. You understand? Why I risk just 1% of my capital to get 1:7. You understand? But profit na profit. As far as you took this trade and it won, happy for you guys. So don't be upset. Just keep doing what I usually tell people is, whatever that is bringing you money, just stick to it, no matter what. But you need to refine sometimes. You understand? We advance things, we update things, even applications, your mobile applications on everyone's device, we do update it at times to get new features, guys. So this was a very beautiful setup in combination of price action, smart money concepts, and fundamentals. I've been saying fundamentals, so you guys will be like, this guy, fundamentals. Okay, this is what I mean by fundamentals. The more reason why I held this trade for this long was because of what is happening currently. There was this news that came out on US dollar, which was very negative on US dollar. Then I was very confident to take this trade because I know that US dollar will be very bearish and DXY is going to crash. You understand? So I used DXY for my analysis to analyze USD correlated pairs. So that was the reason why I was able to hold on this trade very long for like 3 to 2 days without confidence, because there was news, guys. So the news was very negative on USD. It wasn't the good news for the USD. It didn't really impact USD. You can see that clear here, that imbalance there. My entry was at just this week, and now boom, I was tapped in that trade, made profit, and it was amazing, guys. Here are the confluences. Bearish, the trend was bearish. The trend should always be your friend, guys. Yes, the trend is bearish, number one. Number two, I identified the chart pattern, which was a descending triangle, a bearish descending triangle. Number three, the news was very negative on USD, which was released, and what is happening currently in the economy, the Trump tariff and the rest is really shaking the economy, causing war crash. Is it war crash? I would say war crash, or economic crash, economic war. Sorry. Smart money concepts, use of liquidity, and what? And supply and demand. And that was the main reason why I got this beautiful trade, guys. Nothing else. Just following, sticking to my plan. Don't forget, I was able to wait for 2 weeks to take this beautiful trade, guys. And for most of you that are into this game, the reason why I say you shouldn't trade against the trend, here is the reason, guys. You can see this market is bearish. For some newbies, I don't know, they will see this head and shoulder pattern. This head and shoulder pattern here. See it, guys. They will see this head and shoulder pattern. This one, head and shoulder, they will be like this: head, left shoulder, head, and what? Right shoulder. So what would have happened? They would have been stopped. Market gave a reaction, but this head and shoulder didn't hold because of what? Because the market is extremely bearish. You understand? The market was extremely bearish. So how do you expect this head and shoulder to work? Not going to work. And boom, the market moved 200 pips, guys. This was how I was able to catch this beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful setup, guys. So I will drop this image. I'll be dropping the setup image so that you guys can look into it. So guys, have a good day. Stay blessed and remain disciplined, guys. Be consistent. Be consistent. Don't start trading with the mindset of you want to get rich today. It doesn't work like that, guys. The market only reward patient, consistent traders, guys. Be patient, be consistent, and be disciplined. That's the only way you are going to succeed in Forex, guys. No one should lie to you. This game is not going to make you rich instantly. It only pays consistent traders. You need to be very consistent. Always follow your plan. Don't be greedy. Don't be distracted. Follow your plan no matter what. Always apply risk management, guys. I will always say this, guys. Always apply risk management. It's going to help you a lot. Please, don't risk more than you can afford. This is a zero-sum game. The market doesn't give a fuck about who you are. Please, don't risk more than you can afford. Don't risk your entire account. Don't go online and see all these guys flipping and the rest, and you get distracted. You want to give it a try. These guys flip and they have other money aside. They don't flip with their whole money. They flip with the profit they made or the money they have. They are willing to lose. That is why they flip with no emotions. You shouldn't go and be flipping your last $100 because you are not going to have peace of mind. You can't compare yourself to them. Please make sure you risk what you can afford. Apply risk management. Love you all, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. We are still growing, guys. With time, we are gonna build a massive community. Please, just make sure you stick with me. Let's grow together, guys. Like and comment if there's anything you like for improvement or anything or any new topic you like us to talk on. You can say it in the comment section. Make sure you like this video. You subscribe to this channel, guys. Have a blessed day. Love you, guys. More peeps. Make sure you kill the market. More blues, guys. Thank you very much for sticking around. Bless.